guys, Sherry Fox here with What the Fox. What we have here is an LG refrigerator with a flashing light that's indicating the air filter needs to be replaced. Let's get started. The air filter is located in the back of the refrigerator. It is not necessary to remove this shelf, but I'm going to just so that we can get a little bit of a better angle with the camera. All you have to do is give it a slight turn counterclockwise to expose the filter. If you look closely, you'll see two tabs. You want to be easy with these so that you don't break them, but they will pull away from the filter. And then I just took a small screwdriver to pop the air filter out. You can find your replacement filter at your local hardware store, or they can also be ordered online. You'll notice on one side it looks like a small window. This is the side that should be facing you when you pop your air filter back in. Press the air filter firmly until you feel it snap. Starting at an angle, rotate your air filter clockwise until it mounts back into place. To reset the flashing light, look down where it says Fresh Air Filter and hold the button for 3 seconds. You will hear a beep when doing so. Now the filter has been replaced and the light has been reset, and it's just that easy, guys.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video today, or at least found it useful. If so, don't forget to subscribe. There's a little button right here. There's another one right there. But don't forget, when you hit this little button, ring the bell. That way, when I upload new videos, you'll be the first to know. This is Sherry saying you guys can easily do this. Thanks again, guys, for tuning into What the Fox. Until next time, take care.